Hello audience, welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to Instagram chat drawing new update 2025. Follow my all step. At first, open your Instagram account. Now click message icon. Now click chat list. Now click plus icon. Now click drawing new update. Your choice color and your choice theme. Okay. You're writing your choice and send. Your drawing sent. Thank you for my watching. Subscribe my YouTube channel.